All right, we are all getting ready for Halloween and all the festivities happening today, but the main thing we think about is food, or I think about, and drinks when you're hosting a Halloween party or any other get-together. So we've got Hugh Groman in studio with us, Hugh Groman Catering, and we're going to start with the drinks because we can. And tell me what you like. You came up with this drink, which is kind of amazing.
We always like to start out with a drink. And this is a new thing I came up with. It's been done before, but this is my own special take on it. It's an apple pie gin martini. And I wanted to go with gin because it's got that herbaceous quality that I thought would be interesting and complex with all the sort of apple pie flavors.
And that is very fall as we go into, I think. And
it's
so
a Halloween party. We're having a Halloween party. So you want me to tell you all the ingredients?
Yeah, I do, because people at home are right. Okay, what do I need?
So we've got 4 ounces. This is for 2 drinks. 4 ounces of gin, 2 ounces of apple juice.
I'm not sharing with you.
You're not. I'm making 2, yeah. 1 ounce of lemon juice. And then we've got this ginger syrup. That's the part that takes a little bit of work. Equal parts sugar and water boiled together with some fresh ginger. Wow. And just boil it for like 15 minutes, and then you strain it, and then it keeps forever, for a few weeks for sure. So, and then we're gonna put 1 3/4 ounces of this syrup.
We just took a little fun shot of Christian staring over here.
Yeah, checking out. Well, we'll make him one later.
He's having FOMO.
We'll make him one later. And then, to prepare the glasses, we've got these martini glasses. Here, I'm going to show you. These are really nice. I've had these forever. They're super strong. And so what I usually do is you got to kind of wet the glass, the rim of the glass. I'm doing it in the ice. You can do it with like a cut lemon or lime. And you just drop it into this
oh, that's fun.
thing. Yeah, so I'll do that with both of them because we both have to have it. And then all the ingredients are there with the ice, and I'm just going to shake it up, and I'm going to strain it in here, and then I'm just going to give it a little garnish with the lemon peel. So here we have this top.
Perfect.
Okay. Oh, so exciting. There we go.
And I love it. I feel like Halloween parties too. Like, I mean, we think of it with children, especially with trick-or-treating and all of that. But I think there's so many adult parties now, and especially as we emerge from what have been a rough couple of years.
The kids can go out and get their candy, and we'll stay home and have fun.
We're like, I'll hand out candy while I drink my
I pray to God that this got mixed up enough. Here we go.
I probably will be fine. Cheers.
So now we're going to do the beef fondue.
Okay, let's get over there before we run out of time because I think this beef fondue is super
delicious.
cool. Hold on.
This cocktail is good. Okay, so
I concur. I concur.
Oh my God,
amazing.
that's so good.
Okay.
So beef fondue. This is such an emotional recipe for me because we used to have this with my family growing up. I'm actually a little emotional.
I love fondue because it's social.
It's great. So I'm going to just throw in here all four pieces.
Yes.
So this is a filet mignon, but you don't have to. We used beef stew meat. We were not well off growing up.
I love that you brought filet mignon into
the
studio.
You know, we've got filet mignon.
Take it.
It's very tender. So I just put it in this great electric fondue pot, and it's at 375, and it's only going to take a couple minutes. So while that's going, I want to show you how to make the sauce.
Okay. And you think the key to the fondue is that, I mean, the oil has to be at the right temperature, and then I think little things kind of just level up your fondue, so you're not just kind of dipping and
yeah, so making special sauces to go with it. So what this is this is the family sauce, and you must love onions if you're going to make this sauce.
I do.
It's mayonnaise, garlic, white onion diced up, some garlic, and I'm going to show, I already said that. This is like a zester, and I use this for the garlic. It makes it so fast and easy.
I was just looking at that. I usually have my little garlic press, but
I just don't like those garlic presses. They're so hard to clean.
They really are.
You know, you take it out of the dishwasher, and you're like, well, I'm not sure why I put it in the dishwasher.
You're now speaking my language, yes. I always think they're great, and then I'm like, this is the worst.
Yeah. So salt and pepper. So, and then you just stir it up. Okay, so this is really oniony and yummy. Now, you can serve this beef fondue with like a salad. You could, you know what would be really good to start it out with? Like a New England clam chowder. Wouldn't that be good?
Yeah, where is it?
We're gonna make that next time.
So good.
And then, you know, if you don't eat beef, you could, you know, do other things. If you're a vegetarian, we're gonna do it with this with cauliflower, maybe like a meaty fish, like a tuna or a swordfish.
My favorite question is to always ask you how do I mess it up? Because usually there's a way I will do it.
Well, be careful when you're frying. That's probably going to be my #1 public service announcement today is be careful when you're frying. That oil it's dangerous. So you just have to have a lot of respect for it. Don't rush. Don't run, you know, you got to have respect for the oil. It's 375.
Respect the oil. That seems fair.
The thing that people don't realize is oil the way deep frying works is, water boils at 212 degrees. That's as hot as water will ever get, then it becomes steam. Oil is 375, 400, twice as hot as boiling water. So that's why you got to be real careful. Okay, so here's the sauce.
That looks amazing.
And now we're going to pull this meat off the...
Oh my gosh.
Look at that sizzling. Oh my God, it looks
amazing.
so good. And what we never did growing up, what we should have done,
wow,
is we never put any salt on it. I don't know why. I think we just never thought about it, but I put some salt on it. And then we've got this delicious sauce.
I'm going to scoop
And
that
I'm going to just put that in there. I hope I stirred it enough.
It looks amazing.
And then we're just going to taste it.
Okay, we're going to taste it, and as we run out of time, it's perfect because, then I get to eat. My Rosemary does her weather, and
Here.
that looks...
Do it.
Okay, that looks amazing. I can't talk anymore once I take a bite. A little hot.
It's delicious, though.
Okay, it's always delicious. Everything you make is delicious.
Cooked
Hugh,
perfectly.
thank you so much, and we'll put all these details on our website, of course.
I burned my lip. Take your time.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'll take my time. Rosemary, I
Yes.
will toss it over to you as I continue to take my time, but this looks so good.
Enjoy,
It's
yeah.
ridiculous.
And if it tastes half as good as it smells in here, yes.
Oh my God.
Kristen and I over
just put
here
my fingers-
salivating.
It's
Wow.
It's hot.
All right.
It's so good. As I lick my fingers.
I
and
imagine.
Yeah, it's so good.
Save some for me.
Stay
Looking forward to
tuned.
that.
And Rosemary, get over here
Oh,
because
yes.
Hugh brought more to share.
Rosemary, I'll tell you that the smell just intensifies the closer that you get because you smell the cinnamon, you get the cooking steak. Unreal.
And I will say, I've never had a filet mignon and fondue, but it is a keeper. All right, thanks for joining us this morning. The latest news tonight on the KTV News at 6 and on the 10 o'clock news.
It's like it's so close but so far.
I know. We're going to eat here. Have a great day, everyone.
Refill.